John, it was just last week we were talking about the persecution of not just President Trump, but yourself and others. Rudy Giuliani, our friend Christina Bobb is involved in this, and so many others. We were just talking about it. And then I see on Friday, you've got to go and appear in court. What was that like?
Well, I mean, it's you got to get a mugshot, you got to get fingerprinted, and because they bring in felony charge against you, you got to do the whole full monty of fingerprinting and hand printing and everything else. It's they treat you like murderers and rapists for challenging the obvious illegality that occurred in the 2020 election. This is the government doubling down on trying to shut down anybody that would counter the false narrative that the left has put out about the veracity of the 2020 election. And more importantly, to scare lawyers from challenging, any illegality that it goes on in the next election.
All right, let's take Maricopa County in Arizona. Do you believe, like I do, that fraud occurred there?
Well, I do. We know for a fact that they engaged in illegality in the way they conducted the signature verification. There's a pretty credible argument to be made that somebody dumped 35,000 ballots into the system, certainly without a chain of custody. There is credible evidence of that people were creating problems with the in-person vote in the machines. The reason that's so significant is the parties had kind of self-selected themselves into in-person vote more Republican and vote by mail more Democrat. So if you can make it easier on the vote by mail than the law allowed and make it more difficult on the in-person vote than the law allowed, you're going to have an impact on the election. And there's credible allegations of each of those things. We also have an altering of the deadlines for registration vote that was imposed by a federal district judge. That was a violation of state law and hence a violation of the Constitution because the federal Constitution gives sole authority to the state legislatures to direct the manner of choosing presidential electors. So we have all of that we know of. And then if you look at the hearings that were held in November of 2020, there's a lot of other allegations that never got run down in the way that they should have. So people are right to be suspicious of the results of that election.